The following Health Matters segment is brought to you by Renew Health and Wellness.
We all want to look and feel our best. And if you're like me, then you're always searching for ways to feel younger and look younger. Luckily, Renew Health and Wellness can help take care of our insides and our outsides as well. Erin Stratton is here from Renew Health and Wellness. You're a nurse practitioner to talk about some of the aesthetic services that Renew Health and Wellness offers. So tell us a little bit about overall the kinds of aesthetic services that Renew offers.
Well, we just recently brought in aesthetic services. That's an area that I began specializing in about 8 years ago. So we are primarily offering injectable services consisting of Botox, Xeomin, dermal fillers. In addition to that, we have a new hydrofacial machine. We have a laser that offers nearly painless laser hair removal. And we also can address some leg veins, veins on the face, and brown spots.
Wow, that's a lot. And it's going to make a lot of people feel good.
Yes.
For those of us who are not as familiar with some of these services, let's talk about a few of them. Botox, for instance. What is Botox and who should consider using it?
Well, any person that's over the age of 18 that begins to see signs of aging, usually on the upper face, around the eyes, between the eyebrows and the forehead, are generally the most popular areas. And Botox is a great tool that came about and has been FDA approved to treat these areas cosmetically. It's an injectable medication that relaxes the muscles. So when you relax the muscles, the skin overlying it relaxes, therefore the wrinkles start to fade away.
I am a big fan of Botox. It really does work.
Yes.
Dermal fillers are something I'm not as familiar with. What areas of the face, or is it just the face, that dermal fillers are used in?
Well, primarily we use the fillers for the lower 2/3 of the face. You know, they can be utilized other areas such as the tops of the hands. As we age, we lose fat on the hands. They've been used
So dermal fillers actually plump up the skin where you're
Yes.
seeing some sagging, maybe around the mouth.
and the
those
hands
types
become
in the hands.
veiny. Yes, and they look thin and they're aging. It can plump them out and smooth the surface area. But primarily we use it for the lower 2/3 of the face. Maybe the nasolabial folds extending from the nose. We can use it to plump the lips. I can use it to augment the cheek area. There's a multitude of areas depending on what the person's looking for.
Okay, I do have to admit I have no idea what a hydrofacial is, although it does sound delightful.
Yes. Well, it's a great procedure. You know, it's offered by our esthetician who's fabulous. She takes a good hour of time. It's relaxing, but it's also a medical procedure. So you're getting what's equivalent to probably 3 facials, but you're getting essentially exfoliation of the skin and hydration and infusion of serums that plump the skin. So your skin's exfoliated, it looks smoother, hydrated, and more luminous.
And you look younger. Okay, you've got to get in touch with Renew Health and Wellness. Go to their website and find out all about the aesthetic services. RenewMeToday.com.